It's 11:47 p.m. A major municipal client has just sent the words, "Approved, 3-mailer site development package, green light when ready." Meanwhile, the in-house staff is juggling 3 other critical projects. Outsourcing appears to be the only viable option. Yet with one fuzzy scope description or one vague contract clause, that $3 million can balloon to $4.2 million faster than a retaining wall fails inspection. What strategies would be applied first in this situation? Share thoughts in the comments. Every perspective adds value. This is a common nightmare. It is precisely the reason AXA Engineers was founded, to serve as a bridge of trust over murky waters, connecting world-class talent to critical market needs. For 15 years, the same playbook has kept partners on budget. First, the scope of work must be locked down like a bank vault. The SOW is the vault door. Everything else is decoration. A vague task such as Design Storm Drain Network must be reframed as Design Storm Drain Network with flowline tolerances of plus 0.05 FT. When all parties measure with the same ruler from day one, that ruler never shrinks. Principle 2. Vet the partner, not the price. The cheapest quote often becomes the costliest mistake. 3 non-negotiables should always be required. A red-marked grading plan excerpt from a previous project, the Autodesk certification code of the specific modeler, and a 30-minute overlapping work window for quick huddles. Hesitation on any of these is a red flag. This reflects the happy business model philosophy, where a stable, deeply knowledgeable team ensures 97% retention and eliminates the risks of constant retraining. In addition, client data must be safeguarded not only through NDAs, but also through proof of encrypted infrastructure and a culture of integrity. Next, a communication command center must be built. Endless email chains must be eliminated. A central hub such as BIM 360 with tagged folder paths keeps order. Every Monday, the external team issues a flash report. Open RFIs, percentage complete, traffic light status. Green signals smooth progress. Yellow calls for a 15-minute check-in. Red requires a direct Slack message within 10 minutes. Every meeting should conclude with a 1-page PDF summary logged in the hub. Months later, if questions arise about elevation shifts, documentation stands ready as evidence. Another critical strategy: onboard the partner like a new hire. A 90-second screen-recorded walkthrough of file naming conventions, line weight standards, and submittal checklists accelerates alignment. A test follows. A 2-acre grading exercise with a 48-hour deadline. This is AXA's aided philosophy in action, beginning with attitude, then skill set, then tool set. Passing the test clears the path forward. Demand a live BIM model with quantities baked in. A single click on a manhole should display cost, spec sheet, and installation hours, replacing multiple emails and spreadsheets. This commitment to technology earned Autodesk recognition of AXA Engineers as a global success story. Contracts should also include a flexibility clause. 7 days notice to ramp work up or down by 20% without penalty. A small premium secures freedom. With over 80 engineers working 2 shifts, productivity continues around the clock. If these tips have proven helpful, imagine what a 30-minute strategy call could do. The philosophy is to share what has been learned to help firms succeed. Following these 5 principles is not just about outsourcing CAD drafting. It is about building a flexible extension of a team, one that can scale with market tides and protect the bottom line like a concrete Jersey barrier. It means partnering with a team built on a happy business model. So, what's the first drawing to be handed off tomorrow morning? Let it be known in the comments for a collective breakdown. And if this was useful, hit subscribe.